హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు మ్యాథ్స్ లైబ్రరీ ఛానల్. స్టూడెంట్స్, మనం ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో మనము ట్రిగోనోమెట్రీ రేషియోస్ చూసాము. అలాగే ఎక్సైజ్ 1లో కొన్ని సమ్స్, మోడల్ సమ్స్ మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఓకే, సో ఈ వీడియోలో మనం చూడబోయేది ట్రిగోనోమెట్రిక్ ఐడెంటిటీస్ విత్ ద ప్రూఫ్స్. ఓకే, ఈ వీడియో నేను ట్రిగోనోమెట్రీ ఐడెంటిటీస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఐడెంటిటీస్ మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తానండి, ప్రూఫ్స్తో సహా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. సో జాగ్రత్తగా ఈ వీడియో మొత్తాన్ని క్లియర్గా చూడండి, మీకు ఆ ప్రూఫ్స్ ఎలా వచ్చాయో మీకు ఐడియా వస్తుంది. సో దీని తర్వాత మనము ఎక్సైజ్ సమ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి డీల్ చేద్దాము బేసింగ్ ఆన్ ద ఐడెంటిటీస్. ఇది మీకు సిబిఎస్ఈకి యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ మన స్టేట్ బోర్డు కూడా మనకి సేమ్ ఇవే ఉంటాయండి. సో జస్ట్ ప్లీజ్ సీ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ చూద్దాం. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, చూడండి, మనం ఫస్ట్ ఐడెంటిటీ ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఐడెంటిటీ 1 ప్రూవ్ చేద్దాము. ఐడెంటిటీ 1 ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నా. ఐడెంటిటీ 1 చూడండి, సారీ, ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నా చూడండి. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ రెడ్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. I am taking a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, I am taking a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B equals to 90 and let us take here angle C equals to theta. Let us take the acute angle theta as here C. Okay, so as per the Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem what you can say? By Pythagoras theorem what you can say? By Pythagoras theorem we can say that hypotenuse square AC square is equal to side square plus side square, right? సో ఏబీ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీసీ స్క్వేర్ ఐ కెన్ సే. ఓకేమ్మా, సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి సార్, నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను అంటే నేను బోత్ సైడ్స్ కూడా ఐఎమ్ డివైడింగ్ విత్ ద ఏసీ స్క్వేర్ అమ్మా. రెండు వైపులా నేను ఏసీ స్క్వేర్ని డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నా. దెన్ వాట్ యూ విల్ గెట్ అమ్మా? C1 both get cancelled, right? If these both get cancelled, 1 equal to AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square. C1 here, as per this one, మీరు దీన్ని చూసి మీరు ఇక్కడ మనకు 1 ఈక్వల్ టు ఉంది, 1 ఈక్వల్స్ టు AB by AC విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు థీటా. థీటాకి మీకు ఎదురుగా ఉందిగా AB అనేది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద AC? AC is a hypotenuse, right? Whole square plus BC. Here BC by AC is there, no? BC by AC is there. With respect to theta, what is a BC? It is the adjacent side, right? By hypotenuse. Can you say? By the ratios, opposite side by hypotenuse means what? Sin amma. So it is sin square. Adjacent by hypotenuse is what? It is a cos amma. So cos square. So we get the first identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. We got the first identity amma. What is the first identity? We get the first identity that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay na? Next, it is the first identity. Next one, come for second one. Here. See what we learn here? We learn the first identity, right? What is the first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, right? So see this one. From this, can I say sin square theta equals to, if you send cos square, that side it becomes like this. Suppose if I am dividing both sides now with the sin square, I am dividing both sides with the sin square, I get 1 by sin square minus cos square by sin square. So what you can say? This both will cancel, right? We get the 1. What is the 1 by sin? Reciprocal of sin is cosecant. So we got cosecant square theta minus cos by sin. What is the cos by sin? Cot. So it is cot square theta. So therefore I got the identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. I get now one more identity. Okay, by using the first identity itself I am proving the remaining identities also. I get the next identity also. Now see the next identity again. Take the first identity. What is the first identity again? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. It is the first identity. ఇందాక మనము సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి కాస్ స్క్వేర్ పంపించాం కదా. నౌ కీప్ హియర్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా అండ్ సెండ్ దిస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా దట్ సైడ్. నౌ డివైడ్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ విత్ ద కాస్ స్క్వేర్. Divide all terms with the cos square. Tell me now what happens? This both get cancel. 1 we get. Here 1 by cos. What is the 1 by cos? 1 by cos indicates secant amma. So it is secant square theta. Next, sin square by cos square. Sin square by cos square means tan square amma, right? Tan square theta. So I get the one more identity amma. secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. We get the one more identity. Total we have here how many identities? Total we have 3 identities. Okay, let me tell you once again clearly here identities, what the identities are. The first identity here, first identity I can say sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. From this I can say some sub-identities also. See once here, from this I can say sin square theta equals to what? 1 minus cos square theta. If I want suppose cos square theta, then we have to send this sin square theta this side, so it becomes 1 minus sin square theta. I got now 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, now what is second identity we learn? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So I can say from this we can say two sub-identities. Cosecant square theta is equal to this minus becomes here plus cot square. Here we have minus cot square theta is there, no, it becomes here plus cot square theta. In the same way I can prove second identity also. If you take this plus 1 becomes here, it will stay with minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Okay, I got two sub-identities. In the same way next one, what is the next identity? Here, what is the next identity we have here? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, from this what we can say? Secant square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Otherwise I can say here secant square theta minus 1. This is plus 1 becomes here minus 1, no, so minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. So it is the third identity. From third identity I got two sub-identities also. So we have totally 3 identities and their sub-identities. If you learn these identities properly, we can solve any type of sums very easily. Okay, let us see few more sums, few more examples on this one. If you observe here, they will give like this. Suppose they will ask question example, they will ask what is sin square 20 degrees plus what is the cos square 20 degrees. They will ask like this, but we didn't have this 20 degrees in our table. Then what you can say, if you observe properly, it is look like a sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here theta value is 20. So I can say it is clearly the answer is 1. Understand? Next, in the same way, suppose if they will ask here question, what is second identity actually? Secant square theta minus cot square theta, right? Secant square 40 degrees minus tan square 40 degrees. What is the answer you have to say? Here clearly it is theta value is a 40. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Look like, so the answer is 1. Okay, suppose if they will ask like this, tan square 40 degrees minus secant square 40 degrees, what is the answer then? Here we are reversing these values, we are reversing these two values. Okay, we know a minus b is not equals to b minus a minus b is equal to minus of b minus a, right? So the only it will changes only minus value. So actually we have in the previous case 1 there, no? In the previous case secant square theta minus tan square is 1. If you reverse this minus value, we get the answer in the sense of minus. Only minus will change here. Nothing will change except the minus. Okay, so the answer is here minus 1. Understand? Next, suppose if they ask like this, see here, secant square theta minus tan square theta is there, no, is equal to 1, right? Can I this as, it will look like as a square minus b square, middle minus there, no, a square minus b square. Can I say it is a plus b into a minus b? Secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. So from this what you can say, from this I can say, if I want secant theta plus tan theta equals to, it is 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta. Understand? If you want suppose secant theta minus tan theta, then what happen, 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. If you want here plus, it become minus. If you want here minus, it become plus. Understand? For example, they will ask question like this. If secant theta plus tan theta equals to 2 is equals to 2, then find secant theta minus tan theta. So what you can say, secant theta minus tan theta is equals to, what you can say, 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. So what is the answer now? 1 by 2 will become answer. Understand? Okay, in the same way, next question also they will ask like this. Here, next question, what is the identity? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, right, is equal to 1. If you reverse this, what happens? If they ask in this reverse manner, cot square 40 degrees minus cosecant square 40 degrees. If you reverse in the minus, what happens? The minus symbol will change. Here plus 1 there, actually no, we get the minus 1. That's it. When you reverse the minus term somehow, we get the symbol only change. Here minus 1 is answer. In the same way, we learn this condition also. Cosecant square theta, it is actually, it look like as a square minus b square. It will look like actually a square minus b square. I can write a plus b into a plus b into a minus b. Cosecant theta minus cot theta. Okay, is equals to, we have 1, no, we have 1. So from this what I can say, from this I can say it is a cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to 1 by cosecant theta minus cot theta. If you want suppose minus value, cosecant theta minus cot theta if you need, means what is the answer? 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta will be the answer. Okay, like this we can if you learn the identities properly, we can do this type of models very easily. Okay friends, we will continue in the next video about these identities. We will go through the exercise sums in the next video. Okay, just please learn these, be thorough in these identities. By this just we can do sums very easily by using these identities. Okay guys, if you like my explanation, just please subscribe my channel. We will continue this type of problems from your exercise from textbook. I will continue each and every sum in your textbook, guys. Okay, it is useful for the state syllabus as well as for the CBSE also. I will do separate videos for the state syllabus as well as I will do separate video for the CBSE also, guys. Okay, meet you in the next video.